welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Diva-Me-Please, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. I know you see it. Today I will be unboxing Nailboxy for the month of May. Are you guys excited to see what's inside? Before I get into this box, make sure you check out my last few videos. I have some good ones for you guys to check out. If you haven't, if you have, let's go ahead and get into this one. Without further ado, let's see what is in the May box of Nailboxy. So first we have Welcome to Magic. So it says, welcome to Magic, dear Nailboxy subscriber. We are happy that your current Nailboxy includes Magic products. You will explore our best-selling top gel, our one-coat coverage gel paints, and our newest top seller, MLAC. MLAC gel polishes will make your work faster and easier with effortless application, instant self-leveling, and odor-free formulas. Magic Gel System is a professional use product only, so if you wish to purchase it later on, we do require proof of training or licensing. Wow. So here we have a Tactless Hyper Shine. Enjoy your absolute best-selling top gel. Your designs will stay shiny even after 4 weeks. That's amazing. And then next we have Exotic Fuchsia number 187. Unbeatable one-coat coverage gel paints that are great for full coverage ombre in any nail art. And then last but not least, we have MLAC Real Red number 31. Soft, instant, self-leveling formulas will ensure even and effortless coverage. And then this is just more information about the Tactless Hyper Shine Top Gel. So this is information about the MLAC Pure Gel Polishes. And then it even gives you a breakdown of cost per service. That's really cool. Some information about their gel paints. $15% off. And to follow them on Instagram. So we have some stickers. Some beautiful, these stickers are foil. It looks like foil, but also looks like stickers. These are really cool. We have some magnetic pom-poms in the color pink. I received, this looks like some red reflective glitter. We had Exotic Fuchsia or Fuchsia. Ooh. Really nice, a really nice color. Already wasted it. Then we received some chrome in gold, rose gold, and silver. So this is the top coat. And this is the red. Real red. So that looks like that is everything you receive in the May edition of Nailboxy. It's going to wrap up today's super quick video of unboxing the Nailboxy May edition. So again, these boxes are $29.99 or possibly less depending on what is included in that month's edition. Make sure you guys go check these out if you're interested. I really love everything that I've been getting from them so far. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you'll like to see next on my channel. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all grow and learn together. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. And I have some reviews, some more unboxings, and some swatches coming towards your way. And if you don't know, now you do. I have a job in a salon. It's lit, so I will be bringing you guys along with me. So I have some vlogging videos coming to you as well. So make sure you hit that notification bell and make it ring so that you are notified every time I upload. And if you're not, make sure you are following me on Instagram and Facebook at DivaMePlz so that you do not miss my latest work. All right, guys, until next time, bye.